Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. My name is Krishnamurthy. Today we are going to discuss about the collectors class in Java 8. The collectors class is the one of the most important class in Java 8 because by using this we can do the so many functional programming methods like grouping the data and summarizing the data and partitioning the data and many more other features, to list, to set, to map and all. So actually we already used the tool list to set, but I wanted to explicitly tell the how we have been used. Okay, so before going to the collectors class, right, we wanted to know the one of the terminal operation method, that is collect. See, stream.collect method is one of the Java 8 stream API terminal methods. It allow us to perform mutable fold operations. That means it is going to get the or grouping the data. Okay, repackaging the elements to some data structures and applying some additional logics or concatenating them or grouping and partitioning, and so many things are going to be done by using the collect. So all these data elements are going to be used in stream API. Okay, so this stream API is important, and the same importance is having the collectors. Okay, see, now we will see the collectors class. Collectors is one of the utility class in JDK which contains a lot of utility functions as I discussed earlier. It is mostly used with stream API at a terminal operation method collect. Okay, collect of collectors dot group by collectors dot collect by partitioning by or to map to list to set, everything is going to be used by using the collect terminal methods. Okay, collectors provides reduction operations such as accumulating elements into the collector collections, summarizing elements according to various criteria. Okay, so as per our criteria, right, it is going to be displayed. Okay, the collectors class is having around 20 plus utility methods. We will go one by one each example. In current video I am going to cover the below methods: to list and to set. To list, list returns the collector that accumulates the input elements into the new list. Whatever the we have given the list, right, as per our conditionals like a filter, mapping or any others, right, so it is going to be returns the new list. There are no arguments on the type, mutability, serializability or thread safety of the list returns. If more control over the written list is required, we need to use to collection is the one of the method in the collectors class. Okay, so let's see the list example how we have been used. See, coming to the list example, right, see, I have taken the one employee object and added the 7 elements. If you see the employee objects, right, so you can get to know what and all we have used. Okay, here constructor I have taken and setters and getters. So I have added the data into the employee list. After that, what I'm doing here, right? So list, this is the employee list. The employee list of end result as per our conditions by using the to list method. So how we are going to use that we are going to discuss here. Okay. So here employee list I have taken. So after that stream dot filter a as a object reference of a dot get salary greater than 50,000, and I want what names of the employees like map of employee dot get name. So here it will returns the one of the list which is having the only greater than 50,000. After that we are going to get the names who all are having the 50,000 and above. Okay, so what we are doing here, collect of collectors.toList. Why it required means it is a terminal, a collect is a terminal operation, and collectors class is the intermediate one of the class we are going to use. Whatever the data is here, right, that object is going to be represented as a list. If you see, right, collectors class is having the so many methods: list, set, map, and grouping by, and so all these methods, all functions we are going to be explain each and every in detail in future videos. Okay, so let me execute this program. See here, right, James, Krishna, Maradona, and Ramu is having the greater than 50,000 salary. So likewise, we are going to use this collectors.toList. We have used widely in the earlier examples also without knowing the functional. But in this scenario, right, we are in detail explained how it is works. Collectors.toList. Okay. So now we will see the toSet. ToSet returns a collector that accumulates input elements into the new set. See, why you are going to be use the set means you are not going to be allow the duplicate data into the list, into your result set of collection, right? And that case you can use the set. In this set method, right, there are no arguments on the type, mutability, or serializability or receptivity of the set returned. If more control over the written set is required, you can use the to collection. Okay, so the syntax of the set is public static key collectors. That means whatever the data type we have giving, right, like any wrapper class or custom object of set, it is going to be written. Okay, we will see example in detail. Now we will see the example for the set. Okay, so set, what is going to be set does means set is not going to be allow the duplicate elements. So here we need to find the only duplicate elements. So in this case, right, it is going to be display the duplicate elements. So here I have taken the list of integer array of integers. Okay, after that I am converting that array to list of integers. Now in this duplicate list, right, we need to find the duplicate list, right? See, this is the one of the important interview question which I have encountered, like write a Java program to find the duplicate elements from the array. Okay, so now I have taken the num list. Num list is the list. Stream dot filter I is integer value of lambda expression. Collections dot frequency of number list, num list, whatever the list is there, right, list, and I greater than 1. So whatever the values we are going to have the greater than 1, right, so that values we need to display. Okay, see this collections dot frequency you are having in Java 8 features also. Before Java 8 also we are having collections dot frequency. Okay, so collection dot frequency, whatever the greater than 1 is there, right, that data is going to be display. After that, collect of collectors.toSet we are going to use. So let me execute this program. See here 1 2 2 2 1. So these are the repeated values. So we are having one more approach to do this. Okay, suppose if you are not remembering the data at the time of interview, right, collections dot frequency. So without any using any utility methods, right, if you want to write, you can write in this way. Say set, you need to declare one set, duplicate set. After that, num list we are already having, right, num list dot stream dot filter I lambda expression dupe set not I dot add. That means what we are going to do, whatever the values it is having the repeated values, right, not usually set is going to be accumulated the non-duplicate values. So what we are doing, not duplicate set means it is going to be add the duplicate repeated values. Okay, dot collect of collectors.toSet. So in the duplicate list, right, or sorry, this is the duplicate set. So in the duplicate set, it is going to be display 1 and 2 as duplicate values. Suppose if you do this, right, if you not is equals to, right, it is going to be do unique values. See, unique values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So likewise, we can use the toSet collectors.toSet method. Okay. So I hope you understand, right? Here we are going to what we have achieved and all. I hope you have been enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for future videos. Take care. Bye bye.